This is Module 1, Lesson 1, Side 2. Again, today's objective was to understand equal groups of as multiplication. Number 2. The picture below shows 3 groups of hot dogs. Does the picture show 3 times 3? Explain why or why not. We've learned that 3 groups of is another way of saying multiplication. So we need to see if this picture is showing 3 times 3 or 3 groups of 3. When I look at this picture, I can see 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So far we do have 3 groups. We need to check and see if in each group there are 3 hot dogs. In the first group we have 1, 2, 3 hot dogs. In the second group, 1, 2, 3 hot dogs. In the third group, 1, 2, 3 hot dogs. So again, this picture is showing 3 groups of 3. I need to explain why or why not this picture is showing 3 times 3. So, this picture shows 3 times 3 because there are 3 groups of 3. 3 groups of 3 is the same as 3 times 3. Number 3. Draw a picture to show 4 times 2 equals 8. When I think of 4 times 2, I need to think of the word groups of. So what I'm trying to draw a picture of is 4 groups of 2. I can start by just simply drawing the outline of 4 groups. I would like you to fill in those 4 groups with 2 objects of your choice and then double check that you drew a total of 8 objects when you are done drawing. Make sure you have 8 total. Number 4. Circle the pencils below to show 3 groups of 6. So I want to draw 3 groups of 6. Write a repeated addition and a multiplication sentence to represent the picture. So I need to make sure after I circle that I'm doing a repeated addition sentence and a multiplication sentence. I need to have 3 groups with 6 in each group. So I'm going to circle the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's circle another group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then last we should have one final group of 6. When I look at this picture for my repeated addition problem, the number I see repeated is 6. I have 6 pencils in my first group, 6 pencils in my second group, and 6 pencils in my third group. So I'm going to write 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now I need to figure out how many pencils that is altogether. I know I have 6 in the first group, so I'm going to count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to label that. Then I'm going to count the third group, counting on from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, my repeated addition problem. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. Next, I need to write my multiplication sentence. Multiplication refers to groups of. So I have 3 groups of 6, which is the same as 6 plus 6 plus 6, giving me a total of 18.